Hello, South Lebanon. This week's tip of the week is a continuation of some tools that are available in Class Dojo. So I wanted to show these to you. One of the things you can do if you go into your class, you may have noticed here on my screen I've created a class with each teacher in it, and I've got some thoughts on how I can use that later. Don't worry, I'm not giving you positive and negative points, but I click on my class, and then down here at the bottom I've got a toolkit. Now Class Dojo gives you a bunch of different things at the bottom. We'll go over those in another time. But the toolkit, if you click on that, it has a lot of different things in it. So it's got just a simple timer in it where I can click the amount of time I want. I pause it and move forward and start it, and it'll buzz when the timer's done. Another thing I can do with my toolkit, if I go into my toolkit again, there's a noise meter that shows up, and it just shows the noise level. It's a visual for the kids. As you see, I'm talking and it's going up. It doesn't have an alarm, but the kids can see their noise level, and I can adjust the sensitivity of my microphone too. So just another pretty cool tool. It has a group maker, so if I want to make 4 students, it'll automatically generate groups, so very easy. It will also do a think, pair, share, where it'll put, it'll just pair some different things. Pretty simple, straightforward. You can also use this as it'll be a random student picker, so it'll go through and it'll pick students at random. So many of you use the popsicle sticks, which is fine, but if you have Dojo pulled up, you can use Dojo for that anyway. And it's got a music feature that just plays some random instrumental music, and you can do upbeat music or you can do soft music. It has a thing where you can add student directions to the screen, and it's just pretty simplistic looking. You can also do kind of a morning bulletin on your board if you want. So those are just a couple of tools that are available in Dojo, and they're always updating with some new things. So I'd encourage you to check those things out, and hope you enjoyed this tip of the week.